In this video, you will get to know about simple future tense. When to use simple future tense? Number 1. Action in the future. We use it to describe actions or events that will occur later after the present moment. Examples: I will go to the park tomorrow. They will have a picnic in the park on Sunday. He will call you as soon as he gets home. Future predictions. It is also used to make predictions or statements about the future based on what we think will happen. Example: it will rain this weekend. He will probably be late because of the traffic. I think she will win the race. She is a fast runner. How to form simple future? Positive form. Start with the subject, add will, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: I will go to the park tomorrow. He will visit his grandmother. They will call me as soon as they can. Negative form. Use will not shorten to won't after the subject to form negative sentence. Examples: I won't eat ice cream before dinner. They won't travel during the holidays. She won't go out because it's raining. Question form. Begin with will, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: will you come to the party? Will they watch the movie tonight? Will she visit her grandmother this weekend? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.